your body. We cannot tell you not to or to do anything. But for just the next time you think you want to hold a nick stick up to your mouth, make sure you don't do it around any of the loved ones, any of your family, any of the people you care about.
I would say what today has meant for me in the TUPE workshop that we've been doing today is that there are a lot more people who are going through something than you'd expect, and they want that to change. There's always people going through experiences with people who struggle with substance abuse and addiction, but a large portion of those people actually want to do something about it. They don't just sit there and they're not upset about their situation. They want to make change.
Today means more than probably they think, because I grew up around drugs and nicotine and weed and all of those things, and it's been my way to push myself to not do it even more, because I see the side effects and I see how it changes a person, you know, and to have more information on it so that I can not only tell the people that are around me and the people that I love not to do it, but also why they shouldn't, or how that it affects them even if they don't see it in the ways they don't know. It means a lot, because now I'm informed and I can also inform. My call to action is just, I can't make anybody stop doing anything, but to push out information that is the truth and not what we hear and what we see. And media pushes a lot of false information, so to have the right ones and to tell my family and the loved ones who are doing this, to even just give them a little bit of facts and put it on them, just like, this is what it is and you make your choice, but at least know what you put in your body. That's at least what I can do.
My immediate call to action would probably to start developing my own sort of a workshop with my team and trying to get people aware that there's a community out there who's also trying to make change. I want to make a space where people can actually go to somewhere to make that change. That's my call to action.